Hello and good morning to everyone. Today is very beautiful Sunday with the great wind blowing out there. And right now we have a very beautiful bougainvillea pink in color with the beautiful clear blue sky. And here we have the yellow butterfly having fun with the flower blooming around, flying here and there, flying around next to the blooming flower. And here we come across the food court, and this is one of the quiet and peace, also very clean place area. This is the front side of the food court. People used to come here and enjoy and have fun, and they used to take rest here and then having breakfast and lunch in this clean area. And right here we have another beautiful flower, white in color, with the beautiful butterflies playing around and having fun. Oh wow. And these are the lake we have right here. We have a great lake view from here. It's small but still look beautiful. You can come and visit here. Everything, you can relax, you can take rest, you can have peace. If you want to have a peace of mind, you can come and have this place. And right there we have another wonderful building out there with the beautiful background. And also today we have a very clear blue sky up there. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean, and just to be with you. And here we have a tropical green plant, different types of tropical green plant here, but this is one of the unique according to me. Here we come across another flower. Also this is a bougainvillea again, pink in color. And right here we have the public convenience. Even if you come here, you don't have to worry about this. You don't need to moving here and there for the toilet or washroom. We have right here for the male and female. Also right over there we have a public drinking water, very clean. They are made for the public, so they always clean the surrounding. You don't have to worry for all days. Very beautiful and very convenient and very quiet and very clean place, and one of the beautiful and quiet area. Guys, I would like to share you one thing. Whenever I came here, I have a peace because it's quiet and peaceful. Even if I get upset or I'm angry, this place make me peace of mind and make me happy. And here we have another variety of beautiful flower again, which is purple color, something similar to the morning glory. And here we come across with the yellow flower with the great wind blowing. It looks very beautiful and amazing. It's not it. I'll climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you. Fix what I broken, or cause I need you to see. You are the reason. Okay. There we have a very wonderful building again. Wow. What an amazing, beautiful building out there with the great wind blowing. Skies are blue, birds are flying, winds are blowing, and people are moving around and having fun. And what do you call this flower in your language? Everyone may know this flower, but we have different names according to our language. So please comment below with the name of this flower. I was looking for this flower. Finally I got here. When the sun goes down, the band won't play. Today is really beautiful day with the wind blowing and amazing sunshine with the beautiful bird creeping around and wonderful beautiful flowers around me. Thank you so much for today. That's all for today about this video. So see you again in the next, and have a good day to you all. Bye bye guys. That's all for today now.